Amir Khan has always kept his personal life very private. But now, his brother Faisal Khan has brought back attention to a long-rumored story involving British journalist Jessica Hines and a son named Jan. It all began in 2005 when it was reported that Amir was in a live-in relationship with Jessica. The report also claimed that the superstar had a child with her, named Jan, and that the two had met during the shoot of Gulam. According to the articles, when Jessica discovered she was pregnant, Amir allegedly refused to take responsibility and asked her to have an abortion. Jessica, however, chose a different path. She decided to keep the child and raise him on her own. She gave birth to a son in the early 2000s and named him Jan. In 2007, Jessica married London-based businessman William Talbot. According to a leading daily, Jessica confirmed that while she was in India working on Amitabh Bachchan's book, William took care of her son, Jan, and remained very supportive and protective of him. 2 years ago, photos of Jessica's son surfaced online, and fans couldn't help but notice his resemblance to Amir. A Reddit user pointed out that Jan had appeared in British Vogue and shared recent photos, saying he looked a lot like Amir Khan. Recently, Faisal held a press conference explaining why he had broken ties with his family. He said his family was pressuring him to get married, but he didn't want anyone deciding his future. In a letter, he addressed each family member and spoke openly about their personal issues. While speaking about Amir, Faisal claimed the superstar had an affair with Jessica Hines while still married to Reena and that they had a child out of wedlock. He also alleged that during that time, Amir was living with his second wife, Kiran Rao, whom he later divorced in 2022. Amir has not responded publicly to these claims. The story remains one of Bollywood's most talked about rumors.
Bigg Boss OTT2 winner and popular YouTuber Elvish Yadav recently faced a shocking and dangerous incident. On Sunday morning, gunshots were fired outside his house in Gurgaon. According to the reports, 3 unidentified men on motorcycles opened fire near his home before fleeing the area. The incident has left fans and fellow celebrities concerned. Among them is Prince Narula, who worked alongside Elvish as a gang leader on MTV Roadies 20. Prince reacted to the firing on his Instagram stories, strongly condemning the act. He wrote, किसी के घर गोली चलाना ठीक बात नहीं, किसी के माँ बाप वहाँ रहते हैं, किसी को भी लग सकती है और इसमें उनकी क्या गलती है। अगर आर्टिस्ट कमा रहा है तो वो मेहनत के बाद ही है। बुरा लगा न्यूज़ देखकर। While Prince and Elvish had their share of heated arguments and clashes on Roadies XS, Prince put those differences aside to show support during this difficult time. Meanwhile, Elvish Yadav also addressed the situation on Instagram. He reassured his fans, writing, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for your good wishes. My family and I are safe and well. Your kind thoughts and concern are truly appreciated. Thank you. The investigation is still ongoing, but the support from the public and fellow celebrities continues to pour in. For now, fans are relieved to hear that Elvish and his family are safe.
Veteran actor Achyut Poddar has passed away, leaving behind a legacy that goes far beyond his most famous on-screen roles. Best remembered by many as the strict professor in Three Idiots, Poddar's life was filled with passion, discipline, and an inspiring journey across multiple careers. But before he ever stepped in front of a camera, Poddar had already lived a full life of service and success. Achyut Poddar didn't begin his journey in the entertainment industry. In fact, he served in the Indian Army, retiring as a captain in 1967. His dedication to service continued off the battlefield as he transitioned into the corporate world. He went on to work for Indian Oil Corporation, where he had a long and successful career. Poddar retired from Indian Oil in 1992 after 25 years of service, having risen to the position of executive. Despite a fulfilling career in both the army and the corporate sector, acting had always been Poddar's true calling. Despite his successful corporate career and army service, Poddar had a passion for acting, which led him to participate in theatrical productions and eventually into films. He took a leap of faith and entered the film industry at the age of 44 without any formal training. What followed was nothing short of extraordinary. Poddar appeared in over 125 Hindi and Marathi films, including acclaimed titles such as Aakrosh, Ardh Satya, Rangila, Dabangg 2, and of course, Three Idiots. Although he played many memorable characters throughout his film career, it was his role as the stern professor in Three Idiots that gave him nationwide recognition. His role as the strict professor in Three Idiots brought him widespread recognition and made him a household name. Poddar also made his mark on television, with appearances in popular shows like Wagle Ki Duniya and Bharat Ki Khoj, showcasing his versatility across genres and formats. A biography of Achyut Poddar, written by his daughter, captures the essence of a man who lived with humility, strength, and quiet determination. From his early days in Indore to serving the nation, climbing the corporate ladder, and eventually lighting up the silver screen, Achyut Poddar's life is a testament to reinvention and relentless passion. His journey reminds us all, it's never too late to follow your dreams. Aishwarya Rai is back on Instagram. This video marks her quiet return after her last post from the Cannes Festival in May. Now, the actor and former Miss World is using her platform to share something powerful, a message about self-worth, the influence of social media, and what it truly means to be a woman and a mother in today's world. In a new video, Aishwarya Rai shares her thoughts on the growing pressure created by online platforms. My self-worth isn't tied to social media buzz, Aishwarya said in the video, emphasizing that people should not let their value be defined by online attention. She opened up about how social media has changed the way people view themselves, often tying their self-worth to external validation. So many rely on likes, pictures, and comments for validation, but true worth should not be defined by online approval. Speaking not only as a public figure but also as a mother, Aishwarya expressed her concern about the emotional impact of social platforms. There's little difference between social media and social pressure. It's a matter of grave concern, she said. She urged viewers to break away from this need for digital validation and to focus inward instead. Self-worth is innate and should come from within. You are worth it, and you should truly believe it. The message struck a chord with her fans, who flooded the comments section with praise and support. One user wrote, "I wish half of the world understands what she is saying." Another added, "So well said and powerful coming from none other than Aishwarya." Others simply called her a queen. This marks a meaningful return to social media for Aishwarya, who hadn't posted anything since her appearance at Cannes earlier this year. On the professional front, Aishwarya was last seen in Mani Ratnam's Ponniyin Selvan I and II. She hasn't announced her next project yet, but fans are eager for updates. Despite recent speculation about her personal life, Aishwarya and her husband Abhishek Bachchan put rumors to rest by making a public appearance together at Mumbai airport.
No picture, guys, please, done.
Veteran Bollywood actress Rekha continues to rule hearts with her timeless beauty and charm. From red carpets to public events, she always turns heads, effortlessly combining grace with elegance. Recently, she made a stunning appearance at an event in Mumbai, where fans and photographers gathered in large numbers to catch a glimpse of the iconic star. Rekha was all smiles, happily posing for pictures as fans tried to get close. But the situation quickly turned uncomfortable when one fan crossed the line. The fan allegedly breached Rekha's personal space while attempting to take a selfie. That's when her longtime manager and close associate Farzana stepped in. In a video that's now going viral on social media, Farzana is seen physically pushing the fan away from the actress to ensure her safety. Online reactions have been mixed. Some fans applauded Farzana for protecting the actress in a tense moment. Others, however, felt the response was too aggressive and could have been handled more gently. One user wrote, "She not only looks younger than her age but still young at heart." Another added, "Isko dekho aur Jai Pakhandi ko dekho." A third user said, "Ise kehte evergreen beauty." And another noticed, "Ramiz Raja bhi hai side mein." Farzana has been by Rekha's side for years, managing her public appearances and keeping her safe during crowded events. She's often seen accompanying the actress and is known for her dedication. Whether people agree or disagree with how the situation was handled, one thing's for sure, Rekha remains evergreen, and her presence still captures the public's imagination.